You chumps are gonna bow when I whoop him. All of you. I know you got him. I know you got him picked, but the man's in trouble. I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Never fear, Reggie's here. I'm about to put y'all on game. We about to get down to the nitty gritty. This is a special requested video from my dog right here. In this video, we're gonna be talking about hair porosity. I just have one question for y'all. Is your wash day trash? Don't be shy, yes or no? If the answer is yes, it's because you do not know your hair's porosity. For starters, your boy is high porosity. I'm not showing no bias in this video. I just know more about high porosity than low. But like I said, never fear, Reggie's here. And if y'all fall under the low category, I got you. So what is hair porosity?
Basically, this term is used to explain how easy it is for your hair to take in and retain moisture.
Google said it, not me. There are 3 different porosities, but in this video, I'm just going to go over the highs and the lows. High porosity is when oils, waters, products can be soaked up by your hair. Now I know y'all hearing this or y'all like, yay, yay. But the downside of this is because your hair is so porous, it doesn't retain moisture that long, which sucks. Now I know you're asking, Reggie, how do I know if my hair is high porosity? I got a few questions that you can ask yourself, kings and queens. Does my hair feel or look dry? Is it normally frizzy? Does it tend to tangle easy? Is my hair prone to breakage? Does it absorb product easily, but rarely look shiny? If the answer to these things are yes, you are high porosity. Welcome to the club. Now I got some high porosity wash day tips for y'all. It's time to go to school. Yeah, y'all see me, white coat Reggie in the building. I should be a doctor or a chemist or something. First tip, shampoo. Stay away from clarified shampoos unless absolutely needed. Hydrating shampoos are your friend. If you must use a clarified shampoo, go ahead and use that first and then use a hydrated shampoo right behind it to balance out your scalp. Tip number 2, conditioner. Conditioning is a necessary step. Don't let anyone tell you differently. One of my favorite conditioners are actually by Shea Moisture. It is the
Shea Moisture Hydration Repair.
It's in the blue bottle. If I find a picture, I'm definitely gonna put it on there so you guys can start using that in your wash day. If you haven't already found one, that's great for particularly high porosity hair. Tip number 3, deep condition. Deep conditioning is probably my favorite step. No, actually deep conditioning is my favorite step. You need to deep condition at least 1 time a week, guys. Once. That's all I'm asking is once. You could do something 1 time for your hair. I promise you it will help. With this step, you're going to be ensuring that you are adding moisture and all types of nourishment back into your hair, which will just leave it shiny and manageable throughout the entire week. A deep conditioner I would suggest you guys try out specifically for high porosity is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Mask. The honey and the shea butter that's inside of this product helps strengthen and moisturize the hair.
Now, everything ain't all good in the hood. These are some things you need to avoid.
You particularly need to avoid products that have ingredients with sulfates, silicones, and parabens. You guys, everybody should be avoiding using hot water. Make sure you guys, when you hop in the shower, using a spray bottle, use lukewarm water. Make sure you're limiting the amount of heat you're using. That means your blow dryers, your flat irons, and your curling irons. Ohana means family. Family means nobody left behind. Low porosity people, I told you, I got y'all. So low porosity is pretty much the opposite. Not as easy to get moisture in, but once it's in, it stays a lot longer. Now I know y'all like, that's not bad.
Which is not, but
because you really can't moisturize your hair easy, it's harder for your hair to get saturated with water and for you to actually lock in the moisture that you really need to lock in. In other words, your hair repels moisture. These are 2 questions if you're low porosity that you need to be asking yourself. Do products sit on my hair? When I hop in the shower and wet my hair, does it take a long time? And does it take a long time to air dry as well? When you have low porosity hair, it's great to have products with botanical based ingredients. These products ingredients can include aloe vera, honey, flaxseed gel, and glycerin. You guys need to stay away from things like mineral oils and silicone. Hair tip number 1, shampoos. Clarifying shampoos are your friend. For you guys, I recommend the pomegranate and honey shampoo by Mielle. They have an entire line dedicated to low porosity. You guys should go ahead and check that out and let me know what you think about it in the description box down below. Clarify your hair consistently. I cannot tell you and stress you enough that you guys really need to be clarifying your hair every 2 weeks at least. Tip number 2, conditioners. Do not skip this step. This will benefit you, I promise. Most ingredients with the things like avocado, jojoba, and shea are really gonna benefit you guys especially. Go ahead, go to Walmart, your girl's house, your mama's house, whoever. Go ahead and snatch up all those products right now with them 3 things on it. Tip number 3, deep condition. I'm really about to put y'all on game with this one, I swear. Go ahead and put my glasses on so I can read. Pay attention. Deep conditioners with the following: aloe vera, almond oil, jojoba oil, honey, and olive oil. That's all you need right there, bro. Yeah, I know, basically all the good ones, right? I have a simple test for you guys to do on your own time. This will help you guys determine what your actual porosity is. It's a hair test where you just put the strand of hair, of clean hair, into a water cup, and all you do is just wait a couple minutes, and if your hair sinks to the bottom, you're high porosity. If it stays on top, that means you'll be low porosity, and if it's in the middle, you're normal. We ain't covered them guys. So that's the lesson. You've been schooled. YouTube, that's the video. If you liked it, like I said, go ahead, hop in the comment section below, give us a like and a share. Help my video get out to the masses. Till the next time, remember, it's Reggie. Peace.